Brian Sharp, Taylorville, Illinois. We corn and soybean farm here and use a Case IH 8120 combine that we recently had to make some repairs on the feeding cone in the front of the combine behind the feeder house. And as we were making those repairs, we found some other issues that appeared past that, back towards the rotor and concave area, and that kind of started our search for how we might resolve those issues. And after the transition cone, it appeared like we were doing some threshing in front, or trying to thresh grain in front of the rotor before it got to the concaves. So we were having some issues there, and then noticed as we were working backwards into the concave area and rotor that we had a dam at the front of the old concave. Material was hitting the front of the concaves, excessive wear and other things right there at the front, and probably crop damage too. So we were just standing there. It's like, well, why doesn't that have a ramp built into the front of that? Why is this just a flat-faced stopping point or dam for that crop flow? So that's what led us, after conversation with the Kondex guys, to the KX7 series of concaves, which do have a built-in ramp. And that really was enlightening to see that. That was really what we were looking for at the front of this thing. We had talked to International. There were no mod kits or updates that were available for our particular series. And then looking at other concaves, I just wasn't finding what I was looking for until I come across the Kondex concave. We're really excited to see how that changes the performance, how that changes crop flow and crop damage. And with that modular design and other things that are built into that, we're really kind of curious to see how we can tailor and help rotor loss with that as well.